Okay, we've soaped up, we've agitated, and we've got all the dirt off the car. It's time to rinse. When you use a pure water rinse, you're not going to have any water droplets left behind, hard water droplets left behind, because the pure water dries spot free. But you can leave spots if you don't rinse correctly. Don't spray with a hard spray. Hard spray is gonna bounce off the surface and spread the dirt that you're taking off here onto the other areas of the car. Some of it you may have just rinsed. You want a slow spray. On this one, it's shower setting. That's not bouncing around, that's sticking to the surface. Start from the top, work your way down. You'll have a beautiful spot-free rinse. Work the water down in waves, chasing it down off the surface, sort of how you would spray down your driveway. Just keep chasing the foamy dirt down the surface and you'll be happy with your rinse. Pure water rinsing, less work than car washing.